Key fob programming for the 1998 to 2010 Mercury Mountaineer involves synchronizing the remote's radio frequency with your vehicle's body control module. The system uses radio frequency signals to communicate with the body control module, which manages the vehicle's electronic functions. These models use a passive keyless entry system operating on 314 MHz frequency. Your key fob contains a transponder chip and buttons for lock, unlock, panic, and sometimes rear gate release. DIY programming is feasible using the vehicle's built-in programming mode, which hasn't changed significantly. All you need is a working key, the new fob, and access to the ignition. No special software or OBD2 tools are required. Keep in mind that reprogramming clears all prior fobs, requiring sequential programming if multiple are needed. To program a key fob, first cycle the ignition key through accessory and run positions to enter programming mode. Then press the buttons on the fob. This allows the BCM to learn the new fob, storing up to 4 in memory. If programming fails, common causes include battery failure, damaged antennas, or BCM malfunctions. Make sure your fob has a charged battery and clean electrical contacts. Forums like FordTruckFanatics.com and YouTube offer updated guides. Aftermarket keys often have LED indicators for feedback. Expert mechanics estimate a 70 to 80% DIY success rate. If you're a novice, professional reprogramming costs $75 to $150 to avoid BCM damage, especially in aging vehicles. Confirm Fuse 15 provides power to the BCM.